Alright guys, today it's an oil change on a 2018 3.6 liter V6 Dodge Journey. The only thing we're going to need is just some oil, your filter, a 15/16 socket, and a 13mm socket. Your oil fill, this is the access to get to the canister style filter. You can remove this and that and put it all in there, but it's a lot easier just to pull all this off. That there is going to be where the canister filter is. Alright, underneath the vehicle, here's your oil drain plug, 13mm. While that's draining, let's go up top and get started on the filter. Here's your oil filter housing. It's plastic, it's 15/16. You ain't gotta be too careful taking them off. Break it free. This point right here can get a little bit messy. Grab yourself a bag or something. Alright, so we got to separate this old filter from the housing. Just pulls off. New filter. Putting the filter housing back together, you want to be pretty careful. It's all plastic top and bottom. If you crack it, it's going to leak and you're going to have to replace it. Just get it hand tight. There probably is a torque spec for it, which I don't have. Now we're going to take the clean filter right back out because I forgot to replace the O-ring. Alright, replace the O-ring. We'll separate that. That one off of there. New one. Seat it down in that groove. Put some engine oil or some assembly lube. Lube up that O-ring. Now we can put it back in. Alright, back underneath, we're going to clean the oil plug off. That's it for the bottom. Alright, filling it up with oil now. Everything that I've seen says that the 3.6 liter takes 5.9 quarts of oil. So I'd start with 5 and then start checking from there. Now we're off the ramps on level ground. Let's give it a check. Well, we're not quite in the safe area yet. Alright, that's it. Now we can put our cover back on, our fill cap back on. Add washer fluid to make your girlfriend happy. That's a wrap.